in here. Oh, there you are. Yeah. Whoa, you're so funny.
Where's the puppet? I don't see it. Oh, who's that? Is that the doggy?
Yeah.
What's the name of the doggy? What's the name of the doggy? That's not the doggy, that's Kristen. Okay. Put it on your hand. Oh, look at that. Come on, Kristen. Hi, Badu. Are you looking for your dog?
Yeah, but where is it? I lost it.
You lost
It
your
doesn't
dog?
pee. Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna come soon, I think. Maybe it just went outside. No, go the other way. Go that way. I think it's coming. Kristen, come here. It's your turn. I think the dog's coming. Let me see the dog. Kristen, it's your turn. Kristen.
There's no
Here.
window.
Here. Here. You see this hole in the box? That's where you show the dog. Oh, there's the dog. What's the sound of the dog? Oh, the dog is so happy to see Badu. Come on. Okay, that's a good puppet show. Thank you, guys. The end.
You're welcome. Hi. You're welcome. Hi.
The end.
For my next one,
Yeah?
it's no. For the next one, no puppets, yes toys.
Okay.